So hello everyone, welcome to the video. So today here as you can see we are at a completely new place, and that's because we are in Karachi. So today is Sunday and the time is right now 6:30 p.m. I came in Karachi on Friday and I had some plans, as I told you before, that we will be going so many places in Karachi, but there's a twist. As I came in Karachi, I called Hanzala and asked him about the plans, that what are the plans. So he said to me that just give me 10 minutes, I will answer you. So I said okay, no problem. And after 10 minutes he sent me a voice, and I want you to listen that.
Hey Maaz, what's up? Actually, I really wanted to come over your place, but now I have got some plans with my family. So sorry. See you next time, inshallah.
So there's the thing, I cannot hang out anywhere alone, obviously. So right there, here is my laptop. So we are going to watch some anime, and then we will see what we have to do. So yeah, let's do it. So I just got outside because I need to have some snacks while watching anime. That's the only thing that I can do right now. So that's why. Let me show you the outside view. It's night time, so this is what you can see right now. This is her main royal residency. Here, as you can see, all the buildings, and I'm showing like that you haven't watched. So yeah, let's get inside. So here we are at the home. We are done with the anime thing, and I have eaten just some snacks. So maybe I will gonna put those snacks for the night. But let me show you something else. That this is the Discord server where I talk to these people. These people are just like use 3D softwares, so they are just spamming some cheer up things and those all things for to come on this vlog. So yeah, there's the thing. um, Let me get free with them and then let's see what we have to do. So hi again, this is day 2. Today is 1st January 2024. Happy New Year first of all. So today we are going Mirpukhas again. We spent some days in Karachi, so we need to go our city as well. So today we are going, so I need to pack my laptop and all these stuff. So right now the time is 5:30 and driver will be here soon. So let's pack the bag and then we will head to Mirpukhas. We are gonna put our headphones on the top so we can edit the videos in the car as well. So I need the headphone obviously while the editing, so I'm putting this on top, and I'm putting this on my in my pocket so I can use this whenever I want in the car. And that's how we are done with the packing. So here I am at my home. I just got done with the editing. So I'm just very tired right now, so I cannot record any video. So if you like the video and you have watched till here, so thank you so much. Subscribe the channel and click the bell icon so you get the notification as well. Bye bye. See you in the next one.